Hey y'all! Today we're back on the Alabama Gulf Coast and we're going to show you around the newest RV resort at Gulf State Park. If you're new here, welcome. We're all about the RV life, outdoor adventure, and checking out the best campgrounds across the country. If that's your vibe, be sure to hit that subscribe button and come along for the ride. Now let's dive into today's video. Gulf State Park's OG campground has always been one of our favorites, and we've stayed here many times. So we were pretty excited when they announced that they were converting the old, unused golf course into a new resort-style campground, adding 104 new sites to the park, making it the largest state-owned campground in the nation. This new site opened today, and we're going to take you on a drive-through and give y'all a look at the campsites and then show you everything this new section has to offer. The resort is located in Orange Beach, just off of Canal Road. It's gated, so when you arrive, you need to stop here at the office to check in. The resort has 104 RV sites. All of them are full hookup with 30-50 amp power, water, and sewer. They're all on a nice concrete pad, and they each come with a pedestal grill, a fire pit, and a picnic table. As we drive through, you can see that the layout is really open, and we like that they've given you some room to breathe. You can see that they've left plenty of green space around the campground. Right in the center of the park is a large clubhouse. Just behind that is a really nice pool area, and you can see they have plenty of lounge chairs here. They also have a splash pad for the kiddos and a nice playground. Behind that, there's a putting green and a pickleball court. And inside the clubhouse is where you'll find the camp store, along with some restrooms and the laundry facilities. There are also 2 additional bathhouses throughout the park. There's a walking path around the resort, and then there's this one that leads out to 2 covered pavilions and a small pier overlooking the lake, which is a really nice, peaceful spot. But be aware, we saw a large gopher turtle while we were here and an alligator. Alabama state parks have really stepped up their game over the last few years, and this one definitely shows it. It's a really nice addition to what was an already great park. I hope you enjoyed today's tour and consider subscribing to our channel to see more videos just like this. Thanks for watching, y'all. See you on the next one.